You know how most advice for your 20s sound the same. Save more, spend less. But what if the real key isn't just what you do? It's when and how you see your 20s differently. Most people stumble into their 30s playing to catch up. This guide is for people who want to arrive empowered. Use the next 7 to 10 years as a launch pad. Your 20s aren't just for exploring. They're your prime decade for wealth building. You're a secret weapon. You have more time now than you ever will again. Time compounds if you direct it. Forget shiny objects and get rich in 2 years. Real wealth takes time plus consistency. First, mindset. Embrace the grind, play the long game. First, what's going on upstairs? Accept the price, because great things cost discipline, patience, and saying no to shortcuts. You can have almost anything, but not everything, and not all at once. Your 20s are the planting season. So skills, habits, and experience. You mess up. Good. Learn, adjust, and grow. People overestimate 1 year and underestimate 10. Monk mode can help some people, but sustainability wins. Find your rhythm, focused, consistent, and balanced. This isn't misery. It's mindful choices for a rock solid foundation. Your first step is to build career competency and earning power. Your number one well tool is not a stock tip, it's your ability to earn. Develop high value skills the market pays for: coding, data, marketing, sales, design, PM, trades, and so on. Study demand. Pick hard skills because hard is valuable. Network and find mentors. Opportunities come from people, not portals. Ask, show up, and follow up. Real world reps lead to faster skill growth. Extra cash lead to savings and investing. Entrepreneurial muscle lead to resilience. Become more valuable. Earning power fuels everything else. Your second step is to master budgeting and saving. This is non-negotiable. Live below your means and fight lifestyle creep when income rises. I almost bought a new Range Rover. My ego loved it. My plan didn't. Don't sell performing assets for a depreciating toy. Daily expense tracking changes behavior. Use a simple Google Sheets for 90 days. What gets measured gets managed. Automate savings on payday. Pay yourself first, build an emergency fund from 3 to 6 months of essentials, and keep it in a high yield savings. It's sacred, not for vacations or investing. High interest debt is an emergency. If your credit card APR is 18%, that's a negative 18% return on your money. Pick a plan and attack. Avalanche, high rate first, or snowball, smallest balance first. Let's talk about the student loans. Pay on time, consider IDR if needed, and when cash frees up, add extra to principal. Use credit to build score, not to build debt. Your fourth step is to start investing. Early and consistent. Your time is your most valuable thing now. This is where the magic happens. Two words: early and consistent. Compounding is returns on returns. Time is your superpower. Start with retirement accounts. If there's a match, take the free money. Then fund an IRA, Roth or traditional. Use low-cost index funds like ETFs for diversification, bonds, rates. Tiny speculative slice only if you truly understand the risk. Invest for the long term, automate contributions, ignore the headlines, and let time work for you. Step 5. Protect and grow strategically. Keep dodging lifestyle inflation. Decide in advance how much of a rise goes to investing versus fun. Insure wisely. Health, renters, home, auto. If others depend on you, term life. Consider disability insurance. Be tax smart. Max tax advantage accounts. As things grow, talk to a pro about tax efficiency. Be tax smart. Max tax advantage accounts, and as things grow, talk to a pro about tax efficiency. Now, your sixth step is to set and review goals regularly. Set short term and long term goals. Make them smart. Write them down. Track your net worth, spending, and contributions. Quarterly or annual reviews. Ask yourself, are you on track? What needs adjusting? Plans changes as life changes. Careers, relationships, kids, passions. Update the plan and stay on the course. Here are some key principles to remember. You always have a choice. Now pleasure versus long-term freedom. Balance and sacrifice, but not deprivation. Aim for a rich life, not a joyless one. Think in decades, not days. Consistency beats intensity. Always. Let's see your action plan summary. Mindset. Embrace the grind. Play long. Earning power. Build valuable skills, network and side hustle. Budget and save. Live below your means. Track daily. Automate and build an emergency fund. Kill high interest debt. Avalanche or snowball. Just move. Invest early and consistently. Use tax-advantaged accounts, diversify and automate. Protect and grow. Avoid lifestyle creep and ensure to be tax smart. Now, this is one of the most important steps. Set and review goals. Track, adjust and repeat. Wealth in your 20s is hard work. Discipline, resilience and choices your future self will high-five. Forget rich in 2 years. Aim for 7 to 10 years of smart, consistent moves. You don't need it all figured out. Just start. One action this week, another next month. Let small wins compound. If you want to go deeper, not just learn, but implement a plan that fits your life, there's a link below to a short video. We help people build financial independence with a tailored strategy, accountability, and daily habits and tools. And if this resonates, book a personal call. We will map a plan aligned to your goals. It's not for everyone, but if you're ready to take this seriously, this might be the step that moves the needle for you. Bye.